In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what it takes to make $1,000 on YouTube every month. My primary YouTube channel, not this one, but my primary one that I've really grown the most, is now making consistently over $1,000 every single month. And we can talk about views, we can talk about RPM. Honestly, a lot of that stuff goes over my head. Listen, I'm just an average guy. All I can tell you is what I've been learning so far. And you can find that elsewhere on YouTube anyway. But let me show you the numbers first, and then I'll tell you the tip. Okay, here's the revenue for my primary vlog channel. And as you can see, in the month of October, I made $1,091.39, which I'm really happy with. But in September, I made $1,226.22, which I'm even more happy with. So far in November, things are looking pretty good too, and I think November is probably going to outpace both of those months. But we'll have to see. It's still the beginning of November. So I mentioned that the channel is making consistently over $1,000. And do I know that for sure? YouTube goes up and down, revenue goes up and down, RPM changes and all that stuff, so I don't know it for sure. However, the last 2 months are obviously over 1,000. This month looks very promising. December, I've heard, is generally the highest for YouTubers because of businesses wanting to use their remaining advertising budgets. So RPM goes up. Now, I've never experienced a December just yet, so I don't know for sure. But I'm counting on December being even higher than September, October, and November. So if 4 months in a row is over $1,000, I think that's fairly consistent. Of course, we'll have to see about January. January, I've heard, oftentimes goes down. But this looks pretty promising to me. And just to give you a little bit more info, you can see there that views in September were 393,710. Views in October were 350,127. So if you do the math, and I'm not going to do the math, that's about what I'm making for the views that I'm getting. I roughly think of it as about $1,000 for 333,000 views. So if I were to get 1 million views, I'd expect about $3,000. That's kind of my next goal. I'd love to see that soon. So here's my tip in terms of how to make $1,000 every month on YouTube. Work your butt off. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Of course, there's always exceptions. Some people skyrocket as soon as they start a channel. But usually when that happens, it's because they've already put the work in to know exactly what they're doing. They've already become experts. So what I'm telling you is, what you need to do to make $1,000 or more on YouTube every single month is to work your butt off and become an expert. If you're expecting an easy road, find something else. Get you a day job. YouTube is not an easy road. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm an average guy. But what I'm telling you is that it's possible. If you want to make $1,000 a month, all you got to do is work your butt off, and you got to consistently upload better and better videos. I don't get it, but it's popular right now for YouTubers to tell you not to be consistent. Like, consistency doesn't matter. And I get why they say it. What matters more than consistency is uploading quality videos. If you're consistently uploading bad videos, that's not going to help you at all. But if you're consistently uploading better and better videos, so that you improve on each video that you upload, that will help you. Because think of it like this. If you upload 100 videos and each video is 1% better than the one before it, that's 100% better. Like I've said in different videos, I don't know if the math works out there. I'm not great at math. I'm just an average guy. But what I do know is that if you do that, your videos would be vastly superior than when you started. So all I'm saying is work your butt off and be consistent in uploading better and better videos. That's really how you're going to be successful on YouTube. That's really how you're going to start making money on YouTube. Don't be satisfied with doing the same thing and expecting better results. Get better, work harder, and you can make it. Listen, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.